Welcome to CADimensions Bring Your Kid to Work Day, where your kids can have fun, like playing with Legos and making Legos. And also you get to go on computers on SOLIDWORKS Kids. You also get to watch a movie and eat popcorn.
And you get to eat pizza and have juice boxes. Also, you get to go in your mom's or dad's office. It's something we made in Extra Kids, and it's Pikachu, and you can see it from all sides. So this is one of them. It's a space one. We 3D printed a jet.
I drawed a moving machine, a couple of them, and they're really cool.
I designed that YouTube play button.
I designed a plane similar to this.
An engineer is something that like fixes stuff.
SolidWorks.
SolidWorks. SolidWorks.
SolidWorks.
SolidWorks.
Perfect.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post a new video.
Did you guys all have fun today?
Yeah.
How much fun?
A lot.
Oh, this much fun!
This much fun.
No,